Namaskar everyone. Today I am presenting amazing math trick which you can do just in 3 seconds. Yes guys, we know that mathematics calculations are used in many places and these calculations are vital because they consume a lot of time. So I will tell you some of the tricks so that you can do the calculations in just 3 seconds. Okay, so let us start. So first trick is just how to square those numbers which are ending with 5. Suppose we want to square this number. Okay, what is the specialty about these numbers? They are ending with digit 5. Okay, so what is the procedure for that? Here the last digit 5, we have to square this and write the value. And whatever is this digit, we have to square and then we have to add the same value here. Okay, so what is this? 81 plus 9, that is 90. So this is your answer. Okay, you can also do this thing in one more way. If you multiply this digit by the next digit, okay, it means 9 into 10, this will also give us the same output. Okay, so let us do one more question and understand. Suppose we have 105, that is 105, and we want to square this. So the same procedure we are applying. 5 square will give us 25 and the first two digits, initial two digits, we will multiply with the next digit. It means 11. So 10 into 11 will give us 110. So this is the square of this number. Suppose we have number 125. Can we do square of this? Yes, of course. 5 square is 25 and 12 into 13. Okay, this will give us 13 tens are 130 and 13 twos are 26. So 130 plus 26 means 156. So we get the value 156. This trick can be performed in just 3 seconds and you can save a lot of time of yours during examinations. In this trick we will do how to multiply two-digit numbers. Okay, let us see. Suppose we have numbers like this. Okay, there are many such cases where such numbers are there and we can multiply them very quickly. So 2, so you have to draw just 2 straight lines here. With this digit you have to draw 3 straight lines here. For 3, draw 3 lines here, and for 1, draw 1 line here. Now, can you count the intersecting points here? How many intersecting points are here? Just see 3 and 3, 6. Fine. And here, there are 3 intersecting points. Here, 2 and here, 9. So, sometimes it is little difficult to count how many points are there. So, with these 3 lines and these 3 lines you can multiply. So 3 3s are 9, so 9 intersecting points are here, and plus 2, so 9 plus 2 means 11. Fine. So how to write the answer? Let us see. This digit 3 will directly come here. Now sum of these two, that is 9 plus 2 11, this will come here and the carry 1 will be brought forward to the next place. Now 6 will come here. So on adding we get 713. This is the product of these two numbers by this trick. Fine. We can also do this trick in one more way. And what is that? Let us see. 23 and 31. Here, suppose we multiply these two, 3 and 1. So what happens? When we multiply these two digits, what we get? Just 3. Okay, now multiply these two and these two. So 2 ones are 2 and 3 threes are 9. What is 2 plus 9? 11. So write 1 here and this one next digit will be carry forward. Now 2 threes are 6. 6 will come here. On adding we get 713. That is the answer. Yes guys, this is the answer for this question. Now let us do one more question and understand the trick clearly. Suppose we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. So if we want to use the line method, then 4 and 2, it means 1, 2, 3, 4 lines we have to draw like this, and 2 lines we will draw here. And then next number is 52, so 5 lines we will draw here, and 2 lines we will draw here. So sometimes we feel that drawing lines can be a wastage of time. So you can skip to the trick 2. Okay, the next trick is also awaiting there, by which you can save your time. Okay, it is just for understanding how are you getting the values. So what is this? 5 and 4. 5 4s are 20. So we get the number 20 here. So this is 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. Here 5 2s are 10. And here 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what is the answer? Now we are writing the answer directly. 4 will come here. 8 and 10, that is 18. 8 will come here and 1 will be the carry forward. Now 20 will come here. So our answer will be 2, 1, 8 and 4. Okay. Now if you see that drawing line is a wastage of time, so quickly come to the next trick. 42 and 52. So here 2 2s are 4. Multiply these two values. 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. Sum of these two is 18. So 8 will come here and 1 is carry. Then 5 4s are 20 and then quickly add it. This is your final answer. Certainly this trick will save your time in your examinations. In trick 3, suppose we have to multiply two numbers which are nearly equal to 100. Okay, so there can be three possibilities. Both numbers are greater than 100, both numbers are less than 100, and third possibility is that one number is less than 100 and second is more than 100. So how to multiply these three numbers? Let us see. Let us take two numbers as 103 and 106. Suppose we have to multiply these two numbers. So here we see that this number is greater than 100 by 3 and this number is greater than 100 by 6. Okay, so if we multiply these two, then what we get? 6 3s are 18. Okay, so we are directly writing answers, guys. Okay, see, now can we add these two numbers? What we get? 103 plus 6, just 109. When we multiply these two numbers, we can directly come to the answer. Okay guys, so similar thing can also be done if we add these two digits, then also we will get answer 109. Suppose we have these two numbers, then how to multiply? This number is greater than 100 by 12 and this number is greater than 100 by 15. Okay, so we are writing answers directly. So multiplication of these two is how much? 15 into 12. Okay, we know 15 times are 150 and 15 twos are 30. So this is 180. So we write this 80 and 1 is carry. Remember guys, we have to write this answer in two digits only. Whenever answer will come in third place, we have to carry forward to the next digit. Now, can we add these two? What is the addition of these two numbers? 112 plus 15, it means 127. So just add it. So 12880 will be the answer of these two numbers. Fine. If we add these two numbers, then also we get 127. Fine. Now let us take the different possibility when both numbers are less than 100. Let us see what happens. Suppose we take numbers as 95 into 97. So what will happen here? We know this number is less than 100 by just numerical value 5. So we can say minus 5. This number is less than 100 by 3. So when we multiply these two values, what we get? 5 3s are 15. So we are directly writing answer 15. Okay, we know negative into negative becomes positive. So this is positive 15. Now, what is this? Can we sum? What was the concept here? We were adding these two numbers. So can I ask you what is the sum of these two? Yes. When we find sum, so it means 95 plus this. So what actually we are doing? We are actually subtracting. So this is 95 minus 3 and that is 92. So our answer is 9215. Okay guys. Similarly, if we add these two, it means 95 plus minus 5. This will also give us 92. Let us quickly cross check what is the answer for these numbers when we apply the same trick. So here we know that this number is less than 100 by 7. This number is less than 100 by this value. When we multiply them, so what is the answer? 7 2s are 14. 14 are the last two digits of the output or the answer. Now when we combine these two, 93 and minus 2, this is 91. 14, it means 9114 is the final answer. Here also, when we combine these two, 98 and minus 7, we get the same thing. Now quickly see here, this is minus 2 because less than 100. It is plus 9 because it is more than 100. Now multiply these two, 9 2s are 18. It is negative. Now combining these two, we get 98 and 9 means 107. So 107, because of these digits, it is 00. So combining this, we get 6, 8, 2. Okay, 10682 is the answer. Let us see the next trick. Here we will find the square of those numbers which are not ending with 5. So what is the square of this? Here we know that the square of 4 give us 16. A square of 6 give us 36. Okay. Now is this the answer? No. We have to do one more simple step. And that step is just product of these three values. 6 into 4 into 2. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are 48. So 48 we have to write. But we have to write especially. Now if we add, what is the answer? 6, 9, 0 and 4. Yes guys, this is the answer for this square. Let us do one more question. Suppose we have to square this. Fine, 59 whole square we have to find. Then how can we do that? 9 square is 81. 5 square is 25. Clear? Simple step. Next, if we multiply these three digits, 5, 9 and 2. 9 5s are 45. 45 2s are 90. So let us write them and quickly add. So 1, 8, 4 and 3. This is answer. Okay. Now we have seen a square of 2-digit numbers. Let us see square of 3-digit numbers quickly. Suppose we have 1 to 8. Suppose we have a 3-digit number like this. So how can we square it? We have to apply the same procedure for that. Okay, it means the last digit will give us 64 and this square, 12 square is 144. Okay, the same procedure we are applying. Here 12 square is this much, 8 square is this much. Now next step is product of these three. Okay, remember we have to consider these two digits as one number. Fine. So 12 into 8, 12 8s are 96. 96 into 2 means 192. So we have to write 192. But remember guys, in which manner we wrote here? We have left one digit. Okay, it means units place we left. So here also we are leaving the units place. So 192 we are writing here. So what is the answer? What is the next thing? We have to add. So quickly adding 4, 6 and 2, 8, 9 and 4, 13. Here carry 4 and 2, 6. So this is the answer. Okay guys. Suppose we find the square of this number. Okay. So quickly do. 4 square 16. 15 square is 225. Okay. Now multiply these numbers. So remember this we have to count as one number. So 15 4s are 60, 62s are 120. So 120 will come here. Let us add 6, 1, 7, 3 and 2. This is your answer. Okay, when you practice, quickly you can do in just 3 seconds. So let us do the next trick. This trick is a magical trick. Fine. Here I will assume any one number between 1 to 9 and one number I will ask from you. Okay, you also have to tell me one number which belong to 1 to 9. Here I will write my number and here I will write your number. Then I will do some calculations and magical thing will happen. Okay, so let us start. So suppose from 1 to 9 I have assumed any one number. Okay, which I am writing here. Suppose my number is this. So I am asking you, tell me any one number between 1 to 9.
5.
Suppose you have told 5. Now we will do certain things. Okay, so first of all we multiply this number by 2. We know answer is 10. And then we add 2. What is the answer? 12. And then we multiply by 5. 12 5s are 60. Okay, then from this number we have to subtract something. Okay, and what is that something? This something is we have to subtract this number from 6. Okay, what this give us 4. So from this we subtract 4. Okay, from this we subtract 4. Okay, so once again I explain you what we did. My given number I have subtracted from 10. Now we have got 4. This number 4 we are subtracting from this output. Okay, so guys, what we get? Just see, 5, 6, 56. Just look here. This 5 was your number. This 6 was my number. Okay. Let us do it one more time. Now I assume any one number. Suppose my number is 8. So you tell your number.
7.
So your number is 7. Okay, so again I am doing some set of operations, and the first operation is, so we get 14. Next operation is I am adding, yes, so this is 16. Now with 16 I am multiplying with 5. So what is the answer? 16 5s are 80. Now from 80 I have to subtract something. What is that something? I have to subtract my number from 10. What is this? 2. So from this 80 I have to subtract 2. So what is the answer? 7 8. Just see guys, 7 is your number, 8 is my number. Okay, amazing. In next video we will meet again with more amazing tricks and many mathematical important things. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.